Hello everyone! So, opening ng Glorieta 4 and sobrang saya kasi namigay silang free na coupon. So, we started yung Monopoly. Sana manalo pero yun, 5 tickets lang talaga siya. Tapos, ayan, kahit pa paano masaya pa rin kasi nakapag-basketball ang nephew ko. Then, we also played tong ice toss na ang ganda ng payout. Thank you time zone. Then, ayan, dami na namin tickets. So, tuwan-tuwa na naman siya. Then, of course, hindi mawawala yung parang walk the weight. So, pagalingan ng strength. Pero mas magaling pamangkin ko, Lola, flop nandito. Ayan. O, tapos, basketball naman kami. 'Di ba? So, enjoy lang. Kasi parang moving targets ito. Then, nakakatuwa kasi may free snapshot na pamigay ni Glorieta 4. Thank you so much. Sobrang memory to kasi tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-time zone. Ayan yan. Tapos, ayan. So, trinay namin kumuha ng 1,000 tickets. Alam mo, almost 1,000 pero hindi namin natutuloy talaga. Ayan, muntikan na naman pero hindi na naman natutuloy. Kasi trinay rin namin kumuha ng tickets. Pero sayang. Pero yun, ang importante, di ba, enjoy. Air hockey is also a classic game. So, also a ring toss. And itong car game na parang GTA. So, ang funny kasi pipicturean ka rin nila. So yun, enjoy yung bata. Tapos ito yung last game. And actually, nagulat ako kasi nanalo akong 50 tickets. So yun. Thank you, Time Zone Glorieta 4. This was a timeless moment for me kasi I was feeling blue for losing a job. Pero I get to spend time with my nephew. Love you so much. See you next time.